Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about how to become captain in Indian Navy by giving the exam, that is Navy MR, on the basis of 10th standard. This video is very helpful for those people who don't know what exactly to be done after joining Navy MR exam. This we knew that Navy MR exam is on the basis of 10th standard, and how can he become the captain? There are few conditions and there are few eligibility criteria. You have to remember each and everything. Initially, we have the notification and recruitment. Whenever there is a notification, please apply for that and go through the process. Exactly, the minimum qualification is 10th standard, 10th pass. With the minimum 16 and a half years of age is required and above. With 10th standard qualification is enough, but you should have at least 60% for the examination hall ticket purpose. He should clear the written examination. Initially he will be conducted in one online test will be there, followed by the physical. Once you are clear in the physical, then you will be called for the merit, and then you will be sent for the Chilka to the training. As it is a basic training which is located in Chilka, that is, as you can see, whatever the branches you have been chosen during the applying online procedure, that branches allocation is given in the Chilka during the training at INS Chilka. So whatever the branch, that is cook or steward, that branch is given on the basis of your merit. So whoever had opted for the third option as toppers, he will have the less opportunity to become an officer. But in the case of the branches cook and steward, they have the opportunity to become up to captain. How is it? I'll just go through. Please listen carefully. Initially, once you complete the training at INS Chilka, then you will be sent on board ship for the training. After the completion of the 4 months of basic training from the Chilka, you will be transferred to the naval ships. So that after the completion of this training, that the nature of the work, whatever you have to do during the service, that will be informed and trained in the ship training, and you will be having the departmental training, that is whatever the trade, that is steward as well as cook. So the nature of the work will be taught and various works will be shown during the training of the period, that ship training. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. That will be very useful. More than 800 plus question papers have been given for various examinations. Please have a look. Next, after the completion of the ship training, you will be sent for the professional training. That professional training you will be having in a different schools. Here we have the Navy MR exam, so you will be sent to the INS Hamla, which is located in Mumbai. So this INS Hamla is the one which is given the departmental training, that is what are the branches have been given, that is cook department. There are the sub branches as officers and sailors cook. So as per the merit as well as his efficiency in his profession, that sub allocation be given in the professional training, that is at INS Hamla. And further you have the branch, that is steward, that is also given in the INS Hamla, where you will be given the training concerning to the steward. So both the training will be at INS Hamla only. In the case of toppers, that branch is also that be given. This option is to become the officer is for the post of only for the cook as well as steward. Now after the completion of the basic training as well as ship training and followed by the professional training, all these trainings, then after the successful completion, he will be given the maiden posting. It means first posting will be sent depending upon the professional training, his merit, order of merit, he will be posted to the various ships as well as establishments. So please remember, if he is good enough, so he will be sent on board ships of the naval warships which are of greater, bigger size and where you have them greater strength. So you will be sent on leave post completion of the professional training. After this, while doing the service on board ship, you will be given the promotion for the next rank, that is cook 1 or whatever the professional promotion will be given depending on your seniority, whatever the performance in your basic as well as professional training. So after this completion of whatever the promotion, during that time, after the completion of some sea tenure on board warships, then you can apply for the naval provost marshal. That is, again you will have the written examination as well as few intelligence tests will be conducted, but the height has to be at least minimum of 170 centimeters, which is very essential. Whoever is lesser height, that there may be some problem. So during the training, please try to gain some height, and that will be beneficial for this applying of the naval police in the Indian Navy. So apply for the naval provost marshal and clear the written examination of that naval provost marshal. Take the permission from your departmental heads as well as your officers and opt for it. Then you will be sent for the examination. Once you clear the test of physical as well as medical, and you will be having the test concerning to the naval provost marshal. So you will have the intelligence test also, that has to get clear. Once that is clear, then you will be doing the training at INS Mandavi, which is located in Goa. That naval provost marshal training will be done in that period. So then you will be sent for the training, and once you are clear in all the examinations of whatever the conducted by the Mandavi, so then you will become the naval provost marshal. Once you are police, then you will be having the post of equivalent to the SSR examinations. Once you have the option to become, that is, then you will become the get promoted as the provost, and you assume the duties and improve yourself during the new posting wherever you get the unit. After that, getting the provost as a provost, then you can apply for the, after some period, you can apply for the special duty scheme. So that is one option for you to become an officer in Indian Navy. So here you have got a 10th standard. With that 10th standard, you had given the examination, that is naval provost marshal. Then you had become the police of the naval, and you again apply for the special duty scheme after the completion of few years of tenure as a naval provost marshal. Depending on your performance and communication skills, again you can apply for the special duty scheme, that is written and examination will be there for you. You have to clear that higher education test examination. Further, you will be sent for the interview purpose. You will have the preliminary as well as main selection board, but for these all selections you should have the communication skills with which you can clear examinations. This is one thing you have to remember, guys. So please go through whatever the phases we have, we can directly, then after the completion of this, you will be promoted as a sub lieutenant. Then you will be as a sub lieutenant at the age of near about 28 to 30 years. Once you are promoted to as a sub lieutenant, from there onwards you will be again, departmental exams will be there depending upon the situation as per the service requirements. You have to clear all those examinations. There are few people who have promoted up to the rank of commander and captain. So those, depending on those situations and opportunities, I have made this option, so with which you can at least prepare yourself and improve your communication skills, and then you will be having the option to become an officer up to the rank of commander to captain. So this is one option for you guys with the 10th standard qualification only. So please remember, whoever think that, sir, is this the end? No, this is not the end for you guys. You can apply for this job and you can further go, but you should have the height minimum of 170 centimeters is mandatory. So whoever is watch this video, I request you guys to share your friends and share your members who is preparing for jobs. So whoever has watched this, I really thankful for you guys. If you have more queries, you can call me on 7667302252, or you can message me. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS for examination purpose, please feel free to call. Thank you guys. This is my best I am doing for you people to motivate towards the career in Navy, what exactly can be done? Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.